and Vivian Reese, the mother of my beautiful twin girls. And today we're going to make some delicious Halloween cookies. For this occasion, we have a very special guest, my sister, Rosa Bacon Aspire.
Hello! I am Camila. I am Majo, and today we're going to make easy and delicious buttered cookies. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm the aunt of my lovely María Camila. And today I will be helping them to make these delicious cookies for this special occasion that is Halloween. Let's start with the ingredients.
We need flour, icing sugar, salt, 2 eggs, and vanilla extract.
We start by sifting the flour with the sieve.
Then we add the pinch of salt and mix it a little.
Mix it a little.
Now we add the butter. And the icing sugar.
And let's beat it for about 5 minutes.
It's my turn. Wow, it's white. It looks delicious.
Well, now we are going to add
The eggs and the vanilla.
and we will keep mixing until everything is well integrated. Now,
Add the flour. And we mix.
we are going to use the spatula to make sure everything is well integrated until the good is formed. Now that we have the dough ready, we are going to form some balls and refrigerate it for around 1 or 2 hours. Okay, now it's time to roll out the dough to make the cookies. What shapes do you want?
August.
And you? Okay, we can do both. I can roll out more the dough. So now we can make the cut. Place the cut here. And now we are going to bake this for around 10 minutes.
I can't wait. Me neither.
Decorate the cookies. We are going to fill, in this case the cut, in color black. I'm going to show you and then it's your turn.
Wow! Looks so cute!
Thank you, Daddy.
It's